Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video I want to save your life, literally. If you're selling goods online, definitely you spend a lot of time to track where is the package, where is the luggage, where is it, and when it's gonna be in the hands of your customer. And your customer asking you, where is my parcel? And you need to know an answer. And this application that I want to share with you, 17Track order PayPal tracking, it's a fantastic app that will save you tons of time and will bring you more and more customers. How? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video, and I want to show you how this application looks from inside, and I want to highlight a couple features of this application that will let you to sell even more. The prices are quite affordable. You can find the link in the description panel of this video easily to make your own decision, is it suited to your business or not. But if you're selling goods online, definitely you know that all the problems, most part of the problems comes with where is my parcel question. So how to remove this question and how to automate everything, that's what it's going to be next. So jump in and I'm going to show you everything. First of all, that how it looks on 17Track order PayPal tracking. That how it looks. It has its logo. You can open this app in your Shopify application store, and I do have one, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, that how it looks from inside 17Track Center. It has its dashboard, shipments, buyer protection feature, notifications, analytics, and tracking page, connections, and recommendations. We're not gonna stop today in this video on each of them, but what I want to show you, I've just connected this tool to the new, absolutely new and fresh store on the Shopify. There is no orders yet, but in general, what I want to show you, you have this sync orders button. So first of all, you need to connect your Shopify store, and when it's going to be done, you'll be in the 17Track Center dashboard. So here in the dashboard, you'll see all the information about all your orders. Where are they? All the alerts, or all the undelivered number, expired number, and so on. And all the questions, shipment status statistics like not found, in for received, in transit, pickup, delivered, out of the delivery, undelivered, alert, and expired, and so on. So we're going to jump to the shipments. There's no shipments yet because this is absolutely fresh store, but we need to press the sync order. You see the test store, this one, or you can sync from all the stores. You can connect a couple of your stores if you do have a couple of them. Test store, for you can change the period for 7 days, 15 days, 30, 60, 90, and this action cannot be undone. The system order shipped with 7 days by default, so you can choose how much do you need. Order is been synchronized. There's no orders, as been said, but in general you'll see all the information like tracking number, status that will change from not found, in for received, in transit, pickup, and all this stuff. And here you'll have the number of expired, delivered packages, undelivered, and so on. You can sort it by tags, you can sort it by input time, order time, and oldest first, newest first, so on. Buyer protection feature is also really cool feature that you can add to your cart. It's gonna look like that, buyer protection, and your client will make his own decision, switch it on or off. But buyer protection protects against loss, damage, delay. It's like added insurance for 0.98 cents. Depends on the price of the item. It will be a little bit bigger, it can be a little bit bigger, but it will protect your customer in this transaction. Notifications, guys, all the notifications you will get here, customer notifications and info received, you can edit the template. So here there's customer notifications area. where you can keep customers engaged with proactive shipping notifications, and you can also notify yourself. So you need to add some conditions here, but in general, you can edit the template like info received in transit. Edit the template. Let's just press here to see how it will be shown to your customer. So here's going to be the store name. So clicking on each element, you can customize each element for desktop or mobile version. You can change a lot of things like H1, H2, font family. You can change the font for this one, for example, and so on. Font weight, regular or bold. There's a lot of interesting things like color. You can choose a lot of interesting tools, but the main thing is that you have all the information about your store name, about your order is about to be shipped. Hi, with the buyer name, put it here automatically. Your order is ready and the carrier will collect it soon. Thanks for shopping on the store name. The track order button will lead to the URL that will track the item that people bought, what's inside shipment items, and you can add here, you can add a products here, for example, from your store. You can sell inside of notification. You can sell inside of notification, and 4 or 5 times your client will ask a question, where is my order? And 4 or 5 times he can go out to external applications to check the order status. Where is it? Or he will go to your store again and again and again. So 4 or 5 times you can show your products, you can show your menu, you can show everything that you want to your customers. You can add some buttons here, more buttons with an URL, with a text color, with all the changes that you that you want, and that how it will be delivered to your client with his own buyer name, like what's inside, what's going to his in this order that he made. And please make sure to check out, maybe you need to buy some other products in our store. This is absolutely fantastic and it will give you more sales, definitely. Also, there's a tracking page where you can customize, like this is a design tracking page. Like they're a default tracking page. You can change URL, copy, preview, and you can customize the tracking page also. You can embed it to your website, and it's going to be track your order, tracking number, order number, and email, and track. You can change all the things here also, like color, solid button, can be like any kind of a color. A lot of interesting. I will not show how to customize it. The main thing that you have all the information sent to your customer, where they can track their item, they can track their parcel inside of your store on Shopify. And this is absolutely insane, because they will come back to your sales page again and again and again and again, and the chances that they will buy more from your shop definitely higher than if they would check the status of their delivery in some third-party applications. So guys, strongly recommended 17Track Center. All the links you can find in the description panel of this video. Make sure to check it out if you're selling goods online, because this will save you tons of time and tons of efforts. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this information was useful. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.